this f such that a to a is satisfied, f of fx is equal to this thing.
We can rewrite the function as f of, f of x equal to f of x, no, sir. Since
Okay,
in
so
both
yes,
f of
yes,
x is common.
yes. So what you can say that f of fx, and since f of fx are equal, they can be treated as some value k because both are equal. Correct?
Yes, sir.
It means I can say that, let's say f of fx is equal to k. It means I can also write that f of, and now f of fx
K.
is already k here, so that is going
f
to
of
be
k is equal to k.
f of k is equal to k. It means the inner function, wherever you see the left hand side or the right hand side, you see here or there, our inner function should have this property, the f of k is equal to k.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So what we can do now? So it depends that how many such cases you are taking. So suppose you are taking like, or you're fixing one actually. What I mean to say, let's say, the first case I'm taking, let's say I have to this sets, each has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's understand the problem. Suppose I fix this 1, 2, 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then what will happen to the left hand side and what will happen to the right hand side of the original equation given? Let's try to understand. So see here, if this, in this case, f of f1 left hand side
Is equal to 1.
is equal to or not, I don't know. I want to check with f of f1. Correct or not? So if you notice that this is already 1, you have set the f of 1,
is equal to 1.
and again f of 1 will come, this after calculating it out. Correct? So this will become 1 is equal to 1. That's true. And why it is happening? Because they have taken 1 to 1. But in that case, what will be the other values or other elements mapped to? That's the point. Can you tell me?
Each one will be mapped to itself, sir.
Each one should be?
Mapped to itself.
Each one should be mapped to itself. Okay. No, what I'm saying that if I'm taking, okay, so each one should be mapped to itself. Yes, so this, if you take that f2, it will become f2, correct?
Yes, sir.
And so if we are actually getting this fk is equal to fk feature, means what we are substituting, both sides are correct. In this case, how many functions we can construct?
One.
One.
Yes, sir.
Think again. I have written the solution on my tab, a very full detail. Yes, I'm seeing that thing.
Sir.
Please understand, coordination is a very important thing. What is happening?
Can be many to ones.
Yes, it actually it can be only many to one. How? No, f2 will map to which?
F2 we can map to 1.
No, sorry, 2 will map to which one?
2 we can map to 1 again.
1?
2 we can map to 1, sir. So then again we'll get f of 1 as the final end result.
Exactly, very good. You understood the problem?
Yes, sir.
Because when what will happen, suppose I'm again taking mapping this 2 to 1, then only you substitute 2 there on the left hand side. But suppose you are saying that okay, let's some students think that okay, let's map 2 to 2 as you told earlier, and let's try to understand the problem. If you map 2 to 2, what will happen? The f of 1 I'm substituting, not 1, let's say 2 I'm substituting, and this side I have f of 2
f of
2, and already you have f of 2 is equal to 2, so it will become f2. But here what will become?
f2 again. f2 again, no sir.
f2 again. But this is the case when we are taking this 2 to 2, when the input value is 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But what will happen if the what I can say, like in that case, how will get the f1 is equal to 1? This is only one function we are getting, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4
Yes,
to
sir.
4, 5 to 5.
Yes, sir.
Then
That's one of the functions, no, sir.
one of that function, yes, such.
Then we have more many to one functions also.
More many to one functions, in which what we can construct means if 2 maps to 2 maps to 1, then only 2 can either map to 1 or either map to 2 only. Correct? So
Yes.
what we are thinking in this way, that let's say just I'm not using this case f2 map to 2, but suppose I'm mapping f2 is equal to 3, then it will not be the case. Correct?
No, sir.
This will not happen. Very good. It means that these are the cases already I'm combining in here. How I'm combining? I'm saying that if fk is equal to k is fixed, there are 5 such numbers which can construct for them some different function. So if I'm saying that if k is equal to k, and k is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in each such case, I have only one way to connect the remaining.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
It means 2 has how many choices? 1.
3 has
So what I'm going to do? Yes. So for fk is equal to k, I'm just choosing one of them to have fk is equal to k type of
Yes.
property. And then out of like in each of this case, I'm giving 2 has 1 chance, 3 has 1 chance, 4 has 1 choice, sorry, 5 has only 1 choice. So
Yes.
1 to the power 4. This is the first case when we are when 1 is mapped to 1, means what I mean to say, fk is equal to k is exhibited by only one entity.
Yes, sir.
But it can be also possible if you try to think that suppose I'm taking this scenario that 1, 2,
is
3,
mapped to
4.
1, 2 is mapped to 1, and 3 and 4 are mapped to 3.
No, if 1 is mapped to 1 and 2 is mapped to
1.
not 1, not 2.
Yes.
So you're saying 1. 2, na?
Yes, sir.
See, if 1 is mapped to 1, 2 is mapped to 2.
Yes, sir.
But these all will have only choices to be mapped with either 1 or 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So what I'm going to do is 5 choose 2 to get this connection, and the remaining each has how many choices? 2 choices.
Yes, sir. So 2 to the power of 3.
To the power of 3. Let
Yes,
me
sir.
check. I have written a very long answer with full explanation. but I have to make correct also. So what we get it here?
2 to the power of 3.
This has two choices. Wait. This has two choice. This is two choice. To the power 3 we are getting, eh?
Yes, sir.
To the power
3.
3.
Yes.
What we get? 80. Correct? The other question? Yes. Let me bring it down. Okay. Can you tell me other thing? Miss, I'm just combining all this thing. Right, wrap up. So the second, the next case, what will happen when they map to F33 means the Fk
Yes.
is equal to k exhibited by three different numbers.
5C,
What we get it here?
5C3 into 3 to the power of 2.
There'll be 90, I think. 9, 10, yes. And finally,
And 5C4 into
4 into
4 to the power of 1.
yes, 5C4 into 4 to the power 1. There'll be 5 turns 5 for the 20.
And 5C5 into 1.
Yeah, so there is 5 actually. Sorry, 1.
Yes, sir. We can move on to the next question, sir. Sir? Sir, you are muted, sir.
Sorry. So what I wanted to say is this thing. Suppose I try to map this 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5 like this. It means I'm mapping x to x.
Yes, sir.
In this case, what will happen that whether this is true or not, let's try to think. So of course, we get fx is equal to x, I mean to say. X to x means the mapping through the f actually, doesn't mean that x, of course. So if I have fx is equal to x, in that case, of course, I will get f of fx, which f of fx is x, correct?
Yes, sir.
In this case, there is only one way to construct the function. If 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 2. So this is one simple way to construct a function. 1
Yes.
maps to 1, x to 1. But you understood this one thing, that it can also happen then, like suppose if taking x maps to y maps to z, and z maps to x, because there are three composition, threefold composition of f. So in first composition, what happens? X is mapping to some different element, and y is mapping to different element in the second mapping. But finally, the third mapping, the z should again connect to x.
Yes, sir.
Then only whatever you input, you'll get finally the same output, because our sets are same at every stage.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding this point?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Very good. So let's try to figure it out with just drawing this trigram, and let's try 5, 6, 7. You notice that I have drawn 4 actually, what we call sets.
But
Why? Because one is for x.
three mappings, X,
Yeah.
Y, Z, then X again.
Exactly. So it is x is mapping to
Y.
y, means f under x. So this is going to be y, or I can say directly fx, no problem. And then again it is mapping
F of
like
F
this,
of X.
f of fx, and that I call it z,
Z is equal
which is
to
f of
F3
x.
of X.
And again this is mapping to x back, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is actually what f of fx is equal to x. So let's try to figure it out. Suppose I'm giving, this is one case I'm discussing, okay? So please understand. Let's, for example, this is not like all the cases we can draw in permutation. It happens like this. So I'm just giving 1 to 2. For example, I'm giving 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, and again 3 to 1 back, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just giving, I only, because what happens, there are 7 elements. So for 7 elements, and only 3 iteration happening. So you cannot give 3 iteration on 7 elements. We must choose 3 elements, means at one time,
Yes,
which
sir.
can follow this pattern. Either you choose
Then
1,
the
2,
rest we
3.
can map to them, sir.
Yes, means yeah, very good, exactly, very good, excellent. It means other 4 should map to themselves. Exactly, that I was wanted to convey. So
Then
what do you?
yes, we can take 2 pairs of 3 and 1 it will be mapped.
Very good, very good. Now you understood the point. Excellent. This is 5 to 6, 7 to 7. So in each case that will happen. 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6, and 7 to 7. And similarly 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6, and 7 to 7. And these 3 are just playing around them cycling, correct? So what I get, that suppose I understood the structure of 1, 2, 3, I can choose any of 3 out of 7 and repeat the same process. Is
Yes.
it understood? Correct.
Yes,
So let's
sir.
try there. So let's map this. So when I map this, I mapped 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, but 3 to 1. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
in that stage, now this is y. So again 1 will map to 2 and 2 will map to 3,
And 3 to
but
1 again.
3 will map to 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Again at this stage, what will happen? 1 map to
1 to 2, 2 to 3, and then 3 to 1.
2 to 3 and 3 to 1. Now try to just track this thing. This 1 is going with this branch
Yes,
like
sir.
this, and again it returned to 1, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
It means you have substituted 1 in the first stage, you are getting the 1 back.
Yes,
Similarly,
sir.
2 is getting this branch and it is connected to 2 again back.
Yes, sir.
And again 3 is going in this branch and connected to 3 back. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, there is one cycle, like what we call one cycle of 3 elements, and how do we phrase it? I've written somewhere. Wait, let me just see what I have written there. The phrase I sometimes create, I still forgot. There is one cycle. Anyway, just forget. This cycle you understood. So what I'm going to do is I'm selecting 3 out of 7 to make 3 in this cycle. But notice in this cycle also we can create 2 structures like this. I could also give this thing 1 to 3, 3 to 2, and 1 back.
Yes, sir.
Can you create another cycle there? Just tell me. To get to just input 1 and get 1?
No, sir.
No. It means for each choice of this cycle, I have 2 different ways.
Yes, sir.
For each choice of the choice, I have Three different. Now you may wonder that why you have not chosen 2 first. This is already 7C3. In 7C3, maybe the 2 will come first also sometimes.
Yes, sir.
But when you create the cycle starting with 2 and other 2 elements, these 2 will give you
Yes.
different structures.
Yes,
So
sir.
for 7C3, I have 2 ways to do it. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Calculate it, please. My calculation is very bad. 7C3 is 35.
Yes, sir. 35 into 2, 70, sir.
70. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that in this case, these elements are going to affect this number of ways? 4, 5, 6, 7?
No, sir.
No. Means this is the only way in this case. But can you just Karunesh tell me what will happen for the next time? Next time, what I can do? I can give 2 sets. I can create 2 groups
Yes,
of
sir.
3, 3. Because 7 elements I have. And 1 element I will make them fix. Make it
Yes,
fixed,
sir.
I said, not correct. You understood?
Yes,
So,
sir, understood.
so let's now, so for 2 groups of the second case, 3 cycle. Yeah, I 3 cycle means 1, then 2, and then 3. Okay, 3 cycle and 1 element fixed. So in that way, what we can do? So it's actually important to see that which element you are fixing. So why not we can choose that element first? So the
Yes, sir.
number 7C1. So fixing the element. Is 7C1.
Yes, sir.
And out of 6 remaining elements,
6C3.
very good, 6C3. And in each 6C3, I have to give 2 cases.
Yes, sir.
And the other 3 out of 3 you're choosing all of them, and again for each
3 into
2. But in this case, what happens? You assume that the 2 grapes are
2. Not intersecting.
not intersecting means what?
They don't have any common elements.
No, that's okay. But we are also thinking something else. Do you think that the order of the group matters, which you choose first?
No, sir.
No. So that's why I think we have to divide by 2 factorial. I have not calculated the full answer. We'll see. I don't know what the answer is giving. I think 351 or something. But let's see. So calculate what will happen here. 7C3 is 20 into 3 into 2, because 1 2 will get cancelled. So this is going to be how much? 120. Okay, 120. Why 3 I've written there? 3C3 is okay. 2 only. So it's going to be 40. And so the total number of ways or the functions in this case, or case 2, is going to be 7 into 40. That is 280. And 280 is there and 70 is there. And one more we have in this particular case. So we got total. Final total is what? 280 plus 70 plus 1. So answer is 351. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So what we can think it here, that there is, wait, there is a rectangular parallelepiped. It's like this. Somewhat like this. And I'm taking first this one. Let me join it. Now this question is not so difficult, but maybe some visualization is a problem. So OA, OB, OC. So this is O here, I can mark. And they're saying 3 adjacent sides, so I can take OA here, OB over here, and OC. It means this 3 vectors or sides are given. O diagonals are, O dash. So O dash is this one. It means if I join these two, I will get this one diagonal. There's no need to draw the diagonal, because then AA dash, so A with map to this one, A dash, BB dash, so B and this one will become one other diagonal corner, C and C dash, so this will be C dash. D is the midpoint or center of the rectangle, AC dash, O dash, B dash. AC dash, O dash, B dash. Means what you are observing in the front, this front wall, this is one rectangle. The midpoint of this rectangle is D. Is it clear? Tonish?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what is D dash? D dash is the center of the center of O dash, A dash, C and B dash, the upper rectangle. So D is here and D dash is, so with this thing we keep to mind. In the ratio, this what OA, OB, OC are in the ratio of 1:3. And they're asking about the angle. So what I do, the ratio is given, so why not we can directly take 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
We don't need to take some other values of this proportion. So 1, this is 2 and this is 3. As soon as you take it, directly we can write all the corners in terms of 1, 2, 3, means the vertices of
Coordinates. Yes, sir.
correct? Coordinates actually, yes. So what is this A? A is I'm taking along the x-axis, so this will be 1, 0, 0. This can be 0, 2, 0.
Yes,
And this is 0, 0, 3. Now this A dash is, tell me.
0, 2, 3.
0, 2, 3. What is B dash?
1, 3, 1, 0, 3.
1, 0, 3. Now notice that D is sitting over in this center of this rectangle. It means D must be the midpoint of
A dash, B dash.
Exactly. And once we get the coordinate of D, automatically you can join with O, and that will give the vector OD directly. So
Yes,
what
sir.
we can say OD directly? With O is the origin, so either you find the direct midpoint of and then again connect, or directly you can say OD vector, this position vector you're finding. So what is
I think D will be 1/2, 1, 3, sir.
So 1/2, 1,
3,
comma 3. This is OD. Similarly, if I know this B dash and C dash, so C dash, what is C dash, by the way? 1 and
1, 2, 0.
1, 2, 0. Very good. So similarly, I can join these two faces, these 2 points rather, and
OD
on this
dash
D,
will be 1, comma 1, comma 3 by 2.
yes, this is D dash, na?
Yes,
D
sir.
dash or D? Wait. D the center of AC dash, or this is actually D.
Oh, and that one is D dash.
D dash, yes. So OD dash here. And what is OD?
1, comma 1, comma 3 by 2.
1, comma 1, comma
3 by 2.
3 by 2. 3 by 2. Let's now find the angle between. Because DOD dash means what? This is the angle they're asking. This this angle. This angle is alpha. So let's find it out. So we write OD dot OD dash
Yes, sir.
is equal to mod OD
Mod OD dash cos theta. So cos
mod
alpha.
OD dash cos alpha. And this we can write directly half into 1 by dot product
Yes, sir.
plus
1 into
1 into 1
9 by 2.
and plus 9 by 2. Magnitude we can find, what is that? 1 by 4
1 by 4
plus 1 plus 9. And here also 1 plus 1 plus
9 by 4.
9 by 4 and cosine alpha. You notice that they're asking the cosine square alpha involved, so we can directly square it by let me just add this first. So this is nothing but 2 by 2. So we get 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12,
6.
Huh? 6. And this is going to be what? Just tell me. 38 by 4
Yes, sir.
square root. And here what we get?
No, sir. It will be 41 by 4. No, sir.
4, no? Yes, 4, yes. See, these kind of mistakes I always do. 41 by 4. And what about this? 17 by 4.
17 by 4. Yes, sir.
Now, I can square it, so it will become 36.
Is equal to 41 into 17 by 4.
4, yes. And cosine square alpha. So cosine square alpha I'm getting is 36 into 4 by 41 into 7. But I'm not multiplying because I have these values given. 697 by 72. So they're asking 697 by 72 is what? 697
by 72,
by 72
into
into
36 into
4 by 41 into 17. What is 41 into 17? I think 697. I'm just guessing.
Yes, sir. 697, sir.
And this is going to be?
So the answer will be 2, sir.
See here what the mistake we have done. If you are squaring this guy,
Yes, sir.
so then we find it.
8, sir.
Answer will be 8. Yes. So let me take this one and this 4 into 4. So can you suggest this will become 4 into 4 here, and one extra 4 will be multiplying to 8, so that will give you 8. So 8 is the correct answer.